Welcome to another episode of Rex to Riches, where two 21-year-olds building a business, becoming entrepreneurs, and all that while living in Asia.
So their net worth right now is $2,700, and they ordered a camera objective for $700. So it's like
No. I'm currently working on a new email campaign for our clients. Beside our conversion rate optimization for them, we also do like the email marketing. These are the results of the last 4 emails. I will give you an update when we got the first results of the campaign.
Sawadee Krap, brother.
570 baht.
How much?
schon klar für alle Leute.
Easy. Can you make...
What is the other one? What is like what is this?
What is this? This head fish. Clean. Side take out. This cut little bit. Salmon. Salmon fish.
That shit definitely go. Gotta get it how you get it, man. Everybody talking about.
Fällt alles raus, Digga. I've never cooked like that.
Change. I just pray they don't forget my name. These again.
So, also, das kann man safe essen.
Nein, das muss man safe rausnehmen.
To make like a fresh fish and all have also parts of this like inside. I think it's very good to see it. Normally you go to the grocery store and you just get like a package of your meat.
Take me home a long way. Ain't no rush to get there. I got time to go and maybe see
I'm against Martin. He needs to be taught a lesson.
Against who? We both against them? Yeah. Let's fuck him up.
Great, bro! Ja, Elmar, danke. Ich habe noch nie auf den Tennisplatz geschaut.
Go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl. I'm a mind that's you the dog, oh. I put my life into my job and I know she manipulate my love, oh. And I know that get both like the Baba Frayo.
There you go, bitches.
Sieht aus wie ein Janik, oder?
Is that cool?
Nah, it's not cool. It's like